My name is Ali Hassan, and gRPC is my topic which I present today. These are the contents which I have presented today today presentations. Remote procedure call, which is the basic. From that, what is the limitation of RPC? Why we choose gRPC, and what innovations Google made, and how gRPC suitable for your application. gRPC actually a remote procedure call. A remote procedure call is not a normal call. It is a call that based that it is a special kind of a call where where your code can be executed on a different address space. Address space are exist in two kinds, either virtual or a physical address space. But we RPCs, when we create an object that are specialized object with when we initiate a connection between a server and a client with gRPC, we need a special kind of request that handles communications through operating system process called inter-process communication. Inter-process communications are very useful to communicate via network. Normally, remote procedure calls are not used uh, today, except for the blockchain. When we want to execute our code on some machine that is the code is designed for particular machine that is not for our machine but for a communication your computer is hosting on California, and our computer is sitting on somewhere else, and we want to exchange some data over the internet, or with some specialized perimeter that can arrange a call, and we can make the communication to and fro and exchange the data. The main procedure is not normally people call it RPC and confused with RPC and client server model. Client server can take communication from application to application. However, the remote procedure communication done via inter-process communication model. Now, what are the reasons why we are not choosing RPC or remote procedure calls? Remote procedure calls are mostly specialized calls that are designed and that require a lot of complexity and hard to write a code, and specialized and designed for a particular machine. That's why, and it is an old technology. Google after 2000 between 2015, Google joined RPC and helped exchange the and innovate some things in RPC frameworks. Two things that are extended. Google Google introduced a data exchange data interchange schema that is called protobuf. Protobuf usually require in before 2015 we mostly developers use JSON schemas. JSON schemas are too complex to hard or manage the code. However, the protocol buffers a specialized code that in which a message can be translated into binary form. You can easily send and receive messages through protocol buffers. Protocol buffers are highly specialized messages. These and second innovation that Google's raised is called extended gRPC. That any programming language that support RPC framework will introduce will allow RPC will communicate over the network, like Golang and Python, or Java and C Sharp, etc. When in early days, when I was writing our application for gRPC, gRPC is when I want to write an application over gRPC, I I will understand. I was thinking about two things. First, we need a server, that are specialized server that handle our request from client and server model. It reduces our complexity. It can any language, either same either a server have a same language or a different language, or a client have same or a different language. We can communicate over and over because of gRPC. And second of this, as you seen in it, gRPC's connections, uh, imagine your application server are written in Go language, and the client server and the client who want to talk to your application are written in JavaScript. Both are compatible with gRPC framework, and the communication and exchanging the data, and even reduce the complexity. And because of highly specialized language, the connection will reduce the latency network over the latency over the network.